What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 9 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's 9:26 p.m. Friday, February 26th, and I hope you guys had a fantastic, safe week. Before we get started, if you want to grab some free stock, check out my link down below. And I've been noticing some people have been falling off in terms of this journey. I know it can be kind of discouraging of not seeing your plays blowing up the way they should. But that's just the way the market is. I know things also seem kind of bleak, especially with the recession, I guess you could call it, or the correction, if you will. It can be disheartening, but I promise you things will pick up, and just keep at it, keep grinding. But this week, speaking of that, there was a lot of blood in the streets. If you did see that, a lot of it's mine. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. So yeah, guys. Here I am inside my home run portfolio tracker. Again, if you want to get a hold of this, there is a link down below in the description so you guys can adjust it. Again, there's still kinks in this thing. Apparently, what I did last time with these two blocks didn't help it because it's still not adding up all the shares to certain stocks. So for example, this week I just added 25 shares of APXT. So now that play is fully built out to 125. And currently it is not showing up for whatever reason. Right here where it's highlighted at, it's only showing 100 shares. So it is what it is. Again, I continue to play around with the formulas to see if anything works, and it's still not working. But nevertheless, you kind of get a good feel of where I'm at. As you can see, here's the blood. I'm down 852 according to this. I think it's a lot more than that, to be honest. And we'll go into my app here in a minute so we can kind of comb through it. But as of right now, all these things are red. They're down 24%, 12, 22, 24, 26. Yeah, it's just not looking good at all so far because of the correction. But again, it's the perfect time to pounce, you know what I mean? So that's the reason why I went ahead and purchased 125, or I purchased 25 shares to make it 125 total. For APXT, and I'm averaging down. As you can see, it's 1328. The one I bought for before that was 1480. So I'm trying to average down as much as I can with that, and then also with Tattooed Chef, and also where is it at? Gnog. So I'm trying to average down on those two plays over the next 1 or 2 weeks, if at all possible. So I believe I need might be only 25 shares with Gnog. And again, we'll check here in a bit so I can just show you, that way you guys know that everything's legit. I did deposit $500 this week, so now I'm at a total of $23.50 that I've deposited for the whole entire challenge, just so you guys are up to date. And then my option plays, I did grab an option this week, Sundial Growers. It's one that's kind of far out. So 1/22/22 is the expiration date. I purchased the option at $90, $1 call. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into my app. All right, guys, here we are. I'm at $7,436.81. You see, I'm down 10.82% for the week, and for the day, I'm up 1.33%. Nothing to brag about. Again, here's my Sundial option that I did, just so you guys know that I wasn't lying about it. And then also, as I scroll down, I bought 25 extra shares of APXT. Total return on that is negative 13.58%. It's 125. Average cost now is $14.93, which is a lot better than what it was, obviously. And let's go back to Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef's currently at $20, but I'm down 23.87% on Tattooed Chef. I hope to buy some more. My average cost right now is $26.27. So right now it's definitely in a buying zone for sure. So I might grab up some of that in the next, again, 1 or 2 weeks from now. And then also to Gnog, $14.35 a share right now. And my average cost is at $18.96, and I need to buy 75 more shares of that to fully build that one out. So I'm down 24.33% on Gnog. So yeah, if you guys didn't see the video with Chris Sain, again, he was like down $10,000 for the day. But one thing he did mention within that video was the IPO of Coinbase. So let me know down below if you guys are trying to get into Coinbase, because I can only imagine there's gonna be a huge frenzy over that, because it's like the best, I guess you can call it, quote unquote, retailer of crypto in the market right now. So just let me know down below if you're getting into Coinbase, and also what place are you guys looking to buy during this recession, because I have one or two on my radar right now that I want to get into. Actually, take it back, 3 or 4. But let me know some stocks that are not on Chris Sain's radar that you guys are into. That way I can kind of like dig into them a little bit and see if some that I want to get to as well. Because I do want to dabble into more stocks just by learning how to read them, I guess, aka technical analysis. I'm trying to like learn myself how to go about doing that. That way, after the challenge, I can still figure out what stocks to get in and out of, you know. So we're all helping each other out. We're all teaching each other. So let me know down below again if you're getting into Coinbase, and also what other place outside of Chris Sain's plays are you getting into. But that's all I have for this video, guys. If you liked the video, give your boy the thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. I will see you in the next one. Peace.